Hello everyone and welcome to our presentation. Today I will be presenting you our project Staria, which is a personalized workout planner and tracker designed to help users create structured routines, manage custom exercises, and log their workouts and track their progress over time. This was the project that we decided to carry along for our fall 2025 senior design course for Florida International University, and our team members are Alejandro Rodriguez, Jorge Pereira, Humberto Mogia, and Jose Menendez. Our instructor is Masoud Zahadi from the Florida International University. Let's begin with the motivation behind this project. Many people struggle to maintain consistency in their fitness routines, and one major reason is that it's difficult to stay organized, especially when workouts involve different exercise, varying sets, rep schemes, and weekly split structures. In traditional workouts and traditional routines, people track their everyday workouts manually. They write them down, they write the exercise in the notebooks or maybe using the notes app, or some even people might attempt to use spreadsheets or using apps that are not really as useful due to their organization scheme. Now, not only this is time consuming, but it also becomes harder to track progression week after week. Existing fitness apps try to solve this, but many of them overwhelm the users with unnecessary features, or they hide the important tool behind paywalls or a bunch of ads that don't let you be organized, and most of them don't even offer enough customization for building truly personal routines. And here's where the goal of Staria comes in play. We aim to create a simple, structured, and highly customizable workout planning experience that fits the users and not the other way around. Now, for our objectives and goals. The main objectives of Staria is to, as I said before, resolve around building a workout that allows you to log in everything that you might need and being powerful, helpful, but at the same time easy to use. The app will allow the users to build and manage a personal exercise library, create reusable workout templates, organize templates into weekly training splits, log sets, reps, and weight in real time during the workouts. And they would also allow you to view your workout history and muscle distribution summary. That way you can see what have you been hitting most of your gym sessions, which are you lacking on, and keep on building your workout and your progress every day. It will allow you to interact with a clean, intuitive mobile interface designed for fast navigation and easy use for the user. Now, the overall app aims to make a workout planning efficient, enjoyable, and tailored for each user goals. Now, as a systems overview, to better understand the Staria and how it works, I'm going to walk you through the systems at a high level. First, we have a authentication and onboarding system where the users register or log in and set their basic profile information such as height, weight, and preferred units. This will help us then have a better metric system tailored to every single one of our users. Then the exercise management gives the user control over their own exercise library. They can add new exercise, they can define muscle groups, they can choose what equipment types are they using, and they can search or filter through their own list. Then comes the workout planning. The user builds the templates, essentially the routines that they're going to be performing or that they would like to be performing. And then they group them into weekly training splits, such as a very common example, push per legs, or another famous example, upper lower. These templates and splits form the structure of a training program, their own personal customized training program. Then the duration of the workout execution. The app will provide a real-time logging where users record the sets, reps, weights, and track changes dynamically as they go on their workout. This will allow the users to have a more precise and efficient way of tracking their sets and workouts. Finally, the history and insights will allow the users to review and complete workouts and analyze their muscle distribution and progress over time. This will allow the users to visualize in a better way how much are they progressing on each muscle, how much have they been working out on different body parts, and what are they lacking of and what they should improve or do more often. The entire workflow is designed to give the users full control from planning to execution to long-term tracking of the exercises. Now for the system architecture, we're gonna go a bit deeper into how Staria is architected. So the mobile frontend is built using React Native with Expo. This handles the interface, navigation, and all user interactions. For state management, the app relies on React Context API along a custom hook called use active workout. This hook is especially important because it maintains the live workout state, sets, reps, and weight even when the user navigates between screens. Now the app uses Upright for backend services, including authentication, database storage, and API endpoints. Upright stores all the data such as exercise, templates, splits, workout logs, and user profiles. And then we also have a well-organized service layer that sits between the front end and the Upright. This layer contains modules that are specifically designed to handle data operations for exercises, templates, splits, workouts, and profiles. This keeps the code clean and modular. And finally, the app uses consistent styling systems with theme components supporting both light and dark modes, ensuring that the UI feels cohesive and modern compared to other apps that are out there in the market, and the user's preference of their device screen mode. Now moving on into our technology stacks, we're gonna tell you with detail what we use for this project. Starting with React Native with Expo, which was for the mobile front end of the application. Then we used Upright, as mentioned before, for the backend authentication and database services. We used Expo Router for navigation, and then we used React Context and custom hooks for statement management. And there is also a collection of custom designed theme components, basically for styling and customization of the app. These tools were chosen to maximize maintainability, scalability, and the developer productivity of the project itself. Moving on to the core features. Staria includes several core features designed specifically for flexibility and ease of use. First, the exercise library, where users can create, search, and manage exercise tailored for their training styles. Each exercise includes metadata such as the muscle groups, the equipment, the body part, and then we're gonna move on into the workout template, which will allow the user to build reusable routines with customizable sets, counts, and structure. After the templates are built, the user can organize them into training splits, forming weekly programs like mentioned before, push-pull legs or upper-lower. The active workout logging feature provides a streamlined interface for tracking sets, reps, and weight. The user can add sets, remove them, or edit them, and edit their values on the fly. Basically, even after you did them, before you did them, while you're doing them, and you will be able to edit them or change them or remove them as you wish. And finally, a workout history that will give the user access to past workouts, that provides a visual summary of the muscle distribution, and it will help them analyze the training balance and how good it is. Moving into our workflow. The workflow for Staria follows a clear progression, as you can see in the graphic depicted over here. The sign up and onboarding allows the users to create an account and enter basic information. Then we move on into the create the exercise, which allows the user to build a personal library or use existing ones. Then we move into the build the routines, which allows the user to create templates and assemble weekly splits. Then we start our workout once we're working out, and it's gonna allow us to track sets, reps, and weight in real time. And then after all of this, we have the option of the review progress, which allows the user to view their workout history and summaries in order to fully understand better and see a deeper level of understanding the different on their workouts and what they're doing better, what they should train more, and what are they lacking of. This workflow will ensure that the users can easily move from planning to execution with minimal friction. Now, we want to talk about some challenges and solutions that we had during the development. We encountered two major challenges, and the first challenge would be that designing a flexible workout structure that connected the exercises to templates and templates to splits and splits to active workouts was a little bit hard. So We solved this issue by using a modular architecture and React context, which allowed us to use these components and allow them to communicate in a clean manner without duplication and having this type of errors on our code. Now, the second challenge that we encounter involved maintaining a real-time workout state. Because users switch between screens while logging a workout, then that means we needed to ensure that the data never reset or disappear or was lost while they were changing between screens. So we solved this by using the custom use active workout hook, which help us keep all of our workout data synchronized across the app, no matter if you change or not your screen and you haven't finished the workout. Now, these solutions made the system more robust and ensure that smooth experience during a live workout tracking without risking missing or losing or resetting any information. Now, for our conclusion and our future work. Staria provides the user with an intuitive and fully customizable workout experience, allowing the users to create exercises, build routines, log workouts in real time, and track their progress. The app offers a complete ecosystem for fitness planning. Looking ahead, there are several opportunities to expand for this project. For example, these are the three main key points that we saw in order to work in the future and expand our project even more. It will be adding progress graphs and analytics depending on the workout progression and a workout summary. We could use this data in order to show a more scientific side of it for users that like more of a science-based um, gym experience. And for our number two, we decided that we can work on enabling the users to share routine with friends. This will allow not only a more friendly and social ecosystem for the app, but it will also motivate other people to start working out using the app and making them get into a healthier lifestyle. And last but not least, and implementing push notifications for workout reminders. So let's say a lot of us are busy sometimes, got a lot of things going on in life, and sometimes we just forget that it's already time to work out or get caught up on other things. Well, we want to work in a push notification system for or workout reminders that let the users know, hey, it's already time for workout. Hey, today you need to do push, or today you need to do leg day. And this way will allow an active reminder for the users without needing to rely only on their memory. So these will be features that will deepen the user engagement and further enhance the app's capabilities. And we believe that they can really expand our project to a whole nother level as we keep on working it in the future. Thank you very much for watching our presentation on Staria, and I hope you enjoy learning about our projects.